Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you feeling great today. Today I'm gonna tell all of you about a book that can help you in teaching young children in their language learning. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Talita Mira Altaf with the student ID number 73 and I am from class 4C. You guys must be curious about what book that I want to tell you today, right? So I'm gonna tell you a book that entitled Teaching Young Children a Second Language. It is written by Tatiana Gordon and it was published in 2007 and it is published by Prager Publishers. So I will explain a little bit about the author's background. So this book is written by Tatiana Gordon, and Tatiana Gordon is the professor of teaching, learning, and technology. So Tatiana Gordon has a good career in teaching English to other speakers in other language across continents from America to Asia and Europe. And because of her dedication and expertise, she had many awards. So guys, this book is written for those of you who wants to become English teachers, or if you want to teaching young language learner. And this book is also can read by the teacher who wants to teach immigrant students for their English for as a second language, or this book is can also read by parents who wants to improve their child's knowledge about English as the second language. This book can also answer the question like what teachers can do with this book for improve their speaking, reading, and writing skills in English. We can gain knowledge from this book for the English as a second language. So guys, as you can see in here, these are the contents from this book. So there are 11 chapters in this book. The first chapter is Language Minority Children in the United States. The second is Second Language Policies and the Language Rights of Language Minority Children. The third is Children as Language Learners. The fourth is Teaching Emerging Second Language Speakers. The fifth is Developing Literacy Skills of Young Language Learners. The sixth is Teaching Grammar in Primary Level ESL Classroom. The seventh is Content-Based Second Language in Teaching in Primary Grades. And the eighth is Multicultural Second Language Curricula. And the ninth is Issues in ESL Instruction. And the 10th is Using Technology with Young English Language Learners by Ekaterina Nemchinova. And the last is Assessment of Young English Language Learners. Chapter 1. Language Minority Children in the United States. So guys, the first chapter in this book is discussed about the past of children's immigration to the United States. This chapter is intended to give readers a historical perspective on the problem that faced by immigrant children in order to find the solution of it. Chapter 2. Second Language Policies and the Language Rights of Language Minority Children. So guys, the second chapter from this book is discussed about policies that affect language minority children in the United States. And this chapter also explains about language rights that they have in there. Chapter 3. This book continues with an overview of research in psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is a field of science concerned with language learning. What happens when children is learning a second language, and what happens when children is learning new words? This chapter will explain and give the answer of that psycholinguistics question. Chapter 4. Teaching emerging second language speakers. In this chapter discusses matters such as creating an environment conducive language learning and teaching young learner in their pre-production stage, and the last is encouraging early emergence of speaking skills. Chapter 5. Developing literacy skills of young language learners. This chapter deals with practical matters such as the selection of books that suit best for the needs of young second language learners, and also it proves some strategies for teaching writing and reading in primary level ESL classes. Chapter 6. Teaching grammar in primary level ESL classroom. So guys, this chapter describes how the young language learners learn grammar and how they can make a form of a word, a sentence, or a text correctly. Chapter 7. Content-based second language teaching in primary grades. So guys, this chapter is discussed about some strategies to teaching advanced concepts from some subject areas to young language learners. Chapter 8. Multicultural second language curriculum. This chapter is discussed about some of the parameters of multicultural curriculum for second language learners. It discusses about why the curriculum is very important and also how it can be implemented. Chapter 9. Issues in ESL instruction. So this chapter is discussed about the strategies to provide cognitive second language instruction and enhance the unique development of young language learners. Chapter 10. Using Technology with the Young English Language Learners by Ekaterina Nemchinova. So this chapter is discussed about the benefit of technology that used by the young English language learners and how use technology in language learning. And for the last chapter of this book, or chapter 11, assessment of young English language learners. So this chapter is discussed about several ways to assess the second language acquisition and the academic progress of second language learners. For the conclusion, this book is very useful and very helpful for the teacher that teach students in primary level, and also this is very helpful for parents that wants to increase or improve their child's knowledge about second language, and also it is helpful too for teachers that teaching students that still a young language learners. I think that's all from me. Okay, that's all the contents from this book, and I think this book is very helpful to us as a language learners and as a English language learners too. And this book is also helpful for parents and teachers who wants to teach their children or students. And I think that's all from me. Thanks for your attention. I hope you like this book, and I hope this book is very helpful to you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.